Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. We tap the FaceApp icon, the screen flashes, and then nothing happens. Back to your home screen, or even worse, it just sits on a blank white screen forever. An app that won't open at all is usually suffering from severe cache corruption or compatibility issue with your device's operating system. According to troubleshooting guides, clearing the app data is often the solution. In today's small tutorial, we want to go and talk about how to fix FaceApp Not Opening. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First, you can easily try to restart your phone. This is the simplest fix. Hold the power button and select restart. After the reboot, try opening FaceApp again. A fresh start clears temporary system glitches that might be blocking the app. Then we can go and access the data to clear it or even the cache. On Android, if restarting doesn't work, the app's data is likely corrupted. On Android, we have to go through settings, apps, FaceApp, storage, then clear data, or just long press the app, for example. No, my bad. Long press the app, tap on info, then go all the way down to storage, and there you go. Now you can easily clear both the cache and data. But on iPhone, you have to delete the app completely and reinstall it from the App Store. Make sure also you update your phone's software or operating system. Sometimes FaceApp updates to a version that no longer supports your current operating system. Go to Settings, System Update, and check for available updates. Installing the latest OS version often fixes any compatibility issues. That's the idea. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.